guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, finally my half bath has been finished. I am super thrilled to show you how it came out. I did a little, recording, little process of how things went. It seems like those projects just takes forever, and there were like days or even like a week that we were sitting on it with like no progress because some people just couldn't make it. And so anyway, so it took about probably 2-3 weeks or so to fix this. Yeah, I think close to 3 weeks. And but I couldn't be more happier with the results. So I'm gonna start showing you guys how my bathroom looked before. This is our half bathroom, which is kind of because the downstairs of our house has our master bathroom, which is the big one. This is another one that has to be renovated, but we are doing kitchen right now. I'm still in the middle of the kitchen mess, so we are doing kitchen and a half bath. This was like the two projects that we've decided to start with. So yeah, so let me just insert the footage of things that I have and kind of show you things, how it all progressed and how it was before, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks now. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you my half bathroom. This is how it looks before the renovation. So this is a little toilet, and here is the bathroom itself. So the countertop, everything will be changed, including the sink. I'm not sure about the painting of the the cabinets. I'm not sure about this, but I can, this always can be done once my kitchen will be painted. But basically, yeah, basically this is it. And I have a very big mirror in here. There will be like a nice frame that will be put all around this mirror. So yeah, I'm really sick and tired of that stone. It's, I don't know, it's a Travertine stone, but I don't know, they either didn't seal it properly or something happened. There's a lot of like water stains, and it's absolutely driving me nuts. I put this little thing, which I'm gonna get rid of it as well, just to prevent from more stains. But anyway, yeah, that's my husband's stuff. So yeah, so that's pretty much, it's a very small bathroom. It's only, like a little toilet off the hallway. So yeah, there we go. Okay guys, so here's a quick update. This is the day 1 of the reno. So I had a gentleman that just came, and he basically took this entire top with the backsplash. So I think the day after tomorrow they will be putting a new sink, and yeah, and all this, vanity, what do you call it, the top. And I have decided to keep the mirror. I don't know if I tell you guys the last time, because first we thought we we're gonna take the mirror off, but I have decided to keep the mirror because we're gonna put like a nice frame around this. So that might take a week or two. So yeah, and that picture might go as well. My husband doesn't like it. I don't know why he doesn't like it. But anyway, yeah, there's gonna be also a new toilet in here. So yeah, I just want to do a quick update and show you guys that things are progressing. Okay, so here's a quick update. As you can see, the new countertop is here, and it's stunning. Do you see those little sparkles? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's quartz, and I wanted a square sink, so there we go. The plumbing will be installed tomorrow. There we go. So yeah, it looks really beautiful. I'm very happy, and looks very nice with my existing cabinet. As you can see, the mirror the mirror is not here because, and it was originally here, like I told you last time. It fell off. It literally fell off. Like the moment they took that backsplash off from the old countertop, the mirror just fell off like 3 hours later, basically, right after I, filmed that little clip. So anyway, they will be putting back on And as you can see, there's a different colors because this was, oh, that's ugly. I'll have to fix that. This was the original. Here, kind of better view. This was the original color in that bathroom, which I absolutely hate, and I changed to this lighter color. So this kind of still look funny. But, you know, obviously there was a huge mirror covering the wall. So anyway, yes. But I was just very concerned about those little holes in here, and I hope they're gonna come and fix it because, like I said, the man that was removing the old countertop, he did a lot of damage here. So anyway, this is the quick update. So as you saw from the footage, I got amazing, amazing stone. This is a quartz and it has like, I don't know if you could tell, I think you can probably tell. There's like a little sparkles on it, which is like absolutely makes me happy when I look at this. And my husband was like, this is just so you. This is just so you. Because obviously he wouldn't pick anything like this. But I end up going with, you know, with the designer lady that I work with, I end up going to this stone little place, and basically that's what I picked. There was the two stones that was going in between, but you know, once I saw these little sparkles, I just had to do it. I just had to do it because I don't know, it's just something special. So this is a quartz, and this is something that I wanted to have obviously easy to clean, that can be easy to clean, that's not gonna stain, have any, you know, water stays again. That the travertine stone that we had originally in the house, and this house has a lot of travertine, like my entire master bathroom, it's covered in travertine stone top to the bottom, and it's just, I'm so tired of it, and it just got really worn out, as you saw it from the, you know, from the original footage. So it was really time for upgrade, and I picked this beautiful quartz, and I love kind of a light color, and I just think it looks stunning. So please take a look at my new bathroom, all finished up. I could not be happier with the results. I'm gonna tell you, it cost us $2,000 to fix it. Basically what we've got, it's this beautiful quartz stone with the new sink. And I picked this kind of square rectangular kind of shape of the sink. I just thought it looks a little bit more modern, a little bit more updated. We kept the faucet only because that faucet, my husband put it on like maybe 2 months ago, because the original that we had, it was just leaking, and we just had to fix it. So we kept the faucet that we just recently purchased, which worked perfectly, you guys, with that frame. If you take a look at the mirror, and you saw that the mirror fell off my you know, my wall originally, but we picked this kind of, you know, because originally I wanted to completely take this mirror off and just put like, you know, like a classic, just paint the wall and just put some, you know, nice mirror. But you know, the lady told me, hey, all you can do is just to order a nice frame. Those are like custom made frames, and they just, I don't know how they put it on, but yeah, she said it's pretty much permanent, and it looks like you have a framed, you know, mirror. So I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. The look of that frame goes beautifully with the stone and with the faucet. I think it's just great. The light is funny because I don't know why, because the faucet that we had, all the finishings are kind of chrome, you know, kind of silver. I don't know why the builders put the black light. So that light will probably change it at some point. I just didn't want to rush, you know, when I'm in the Lowe's or Home Depot, I'm just gonna go look for some, or online for some nice lights, and that's something that we can always change. I did change also the a little towel holder, because it was just old, you know. I just wanted something new and something a little bit, it was very similar to the one that I had, but this one is a little bit more sleek, and we changed the one for the toilet paper as well. So it was like a little set. I got this on Amazon, very inexpensive, and it looks very, very nice, very easy to put. My husband put it basically on. And then yeah, I put little, you know, finishing touches obviously on this vanity. So I bought this little tray, and that tray I think I found it at TJ Maxx, either TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I think it was TJ Maxx. It's like a faux kind of marble looking, but it's not really marble. I just thought it looks really pretty. You know, I can put obviously the soap on it and diffuser or a candle or whatever needs to be, and I put those little tulips here in the background. So I just thought it looks very cute, and I had this vase already in my you know, in my one of my cupboards, and I just thought, oh, it might look good, you know. I went to the Home Goods and I came across those red tulips because my husband was like, we need to change that painting. It's not really the painting, that little green artwork, you know, the canvas that it's right there, that he doesn't like it. I do like it, he doesn't like it. So I went to the Home Goods and I thought I'll just, you know, maybe I can find something with a little bit more color. He wanted some more color, but I really didn't come across anything. We might change it at some point. He did put this little painting above the toilet, which I kind of think it looks a little funny. And by the way, the toilet is also new. This is the Call toilets, one of those, the best ones they have. That's what my husband was on. Don't question me. I barely even use the toilet, to be honest with you. I like the one in my master bathroom, but I don't know. Guys have something about the toilets and toilet papers. I don't know. Don't even ask. But that's the toilet he picked. So we put this one on, and then he put this little painting, which in my opinion looks a little bit funny, but you know, I just don't want to argue anymore. This is the painting we purchased in Louisiana. It was in New Orleans a couple of years ago when we went for a trip, and there was this one of those local, you know, artists that were basically like painting, you know, on the streets. And this was something he gave us for free because we purchased like a big painting from him, and he just kind of threw this one in, so as a little bonus, you know, basically. So we didn't have a place for a few years. We didn't have this painting like hanging anywhere because I just didn't know where to put. So my husband was like, okay, I'm gonna put it right there. So, you know, I don't want to argue. We have a painting in a bathroom right now. But yeah, that little canvas can be also changed on the side, but I do like it. I think, you know, just a little green color. So anyway, yeah, so I am super excited, you guys. We did not change the vanity, you know, like the cabinets. I did not plan on changing cabinets. I was thinking maybe I'll have to repaint them or something, but I think they're still decent. So at some point we might repaint them. I did have to do some touch-ups like on the walls, because that bathroom was repainted about 2 years ago or so, and you saw the original color like behind the mirror was like this chocolate brown. My whole house was like chocolate brown, which I was very tired of. So 2 or maybe even 3 years ago we had the entire house basically repainted except the bedrooms upstairs, which are kind of like a light yellowish color. So I think I will be painting them this year by myself, because these are just, you know, just standard rooms. So anyway, I am super happy how the bathroom turned out. My husband even said that I was right, and he didn't realize how you know, the original countertop, how used up it was. I think you don't see it until you can compare it. And you know, I don't know how is your husband's or partner's or boyfriend, but my husband doesn't like changes. My boys don't like changes. My kids don't like changes. They are still complaining. The kitchen is like halfway done. I do kind of update you guys on the Instagram, so you can always go and check it out. But it looks beautiful in my opinion. The kitchen is like stunning. It's gonna be so bright, but they are complaining. All of them are complaining. I don't know if this is the masculine thing. They just do not like changes. So but after it's done, my husband did admit that he loves this bathroom, and he kind of keep his stuff in that bathroom. So yeah, it was like mainly done for him. Now I told him like we need to redo our master bathroom, which is going to be a much bigger project because I will literally rip everything, including the floors, you know, the big mirrors kind of thing. Everything will have to go. I want, you know, like complete redesign. So this is going to be a big project, and yes, I have to give him a little bit breathing room, you know, before we can start on that big project, because the kitchen is already taking, it's been a week today, and I feel like we are like halfway. I really hope they're gonna finish by the end of the week, because 2 weeks is just like too much. So anyway, yes, so this is it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what do you think about my new half bath. Like I said, I'm super excited. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and yeah, I am really happy. Once my kitchen will be obviously done, I will be doing the same kind of, you know, just to show you things, and the organization of that kitchen is going to be another project, because I am already thinking in my head how I'm gonna change things out, and meaning, you know, put different things where, not exactly where the things used to be. At least some of those things I want to kind of change. I keep ordering a lot of stuff from Amazon, you know, as far as the organization goes, and just to make my life a little bit easier. So yes, I had a little hiccups and bumps with that kitchen, but I will tell you that when we're gonna talk about the kitchen, which hopefully will be soon. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.